Welcome. In this lecture, we are going to understand the frequency measurement techniques using CRO. In the previous lecture, we have seen that we are using either a single input or simultaneously two different input signal at horizontal deflecting plate and vertical deflecting plates. So when we use, or better to say, when we apply two different signals to a CRO, then it forms a pattern, and this pattern is called Lesage's patterns. When we are talking about frequency measurement, then this Lesage's pattern is very much important and effective to do so. So let us see. Okay, I have drawn here two different signals that has been applied to horizontal and vertical deflecting plate. First is SV, that is applied to the vertical deflecting plate, and SH to the horizontal deflecting plate. Now here we have to notice that the frequency of the vertical deflecting plate is double, that is 2f, compared to the frequency at the horizontal deflecting plate, that is f. Why? Because at 24 SV is completing two complete cycle, whether SH is completing only one complete cycle. So you have understood why the frequency is double. Now let us understand how the Lesage's pattern will be looked like in our CRO screen. See, in our previous lecture I have properly described how we take 0, extreme right and extreme left of a CRO screen, and at the extreme top and extreme bottom. So same concept is here also. Let us take a particular instant. Suppose the instant is at 6. So for 6 instant, SH is at maximum and SV is 0 value. This is the SV and this is the 0 value. So the CRO point will be here. This is the 6 point, because SH is at its maximum positive. So this is the positive side, this is negative, this is again plus positive, and this is again minus negative, as same as the XY plane. Similarly, we can write at 18 position the SV is at 0 and SH is at its maximum negative. So the 18 point is here because SH is at maximum negative here. Now at point 0, both SV and SH has got the 0 value. So we can write that the point is 0 is here, and that is also same for point number 12 and 24. Why? Because at point number 12 and 24, see, the value of SH equal to 0 and value of SV is equal to 0 again. Similarly at 24, the value of SV equal to 0 and value of SH is also equal to 0. So we can simultaneously write these points here, 12 and 24. Clear? Now consider a point 15. For 15, the value of SV is equal to maximum, this is 15, and value of SH is equal to half of maximum at negative side, this is at positive side. So your point will be, according to the graphical representation, will be anywhere here. Same logic is applicable for point number 3, point number 21 and point number 9. And if you follow this method that I have used here, like chart or a simple graphical representation, then you will find all the points like 16 here, 17 here, 19 here, 20 here, like this. So in this way, if we try to find the pattern that we will find, or let's say just figure in our CRO screen, that will be like this pattern. So the pattern will be more proper in shape. I have drawn it with my hand so that it is not good looking shape, but if you are getting in your CRO screen, then you will get the pattern like this. So I think if you go for plotting other points on the screen, then you will complete this entire numberings on the CRO screen and get the justification of finding this kind of pattern. Now what next? That means how could we find frequency from this Lissajous pattern? See, there is two techniques. One is called using tangencies, another is using intersection. So first look at the tangencies. So our pattern is like this on the CRO screen. Now we have to draw tangencies. One is horizontal, another is vertical. Now these are the horizontal tangent and vertical tangent. Now if we take fx as horizontal signal frequency and fy as vertical signal frequency, then we can write fy by fx is equal to number of horizontal tangencies and vertical tangencies. One thing is here also, that we have drawn here only one horizontal tangencies, but there is another horizontal tangencies at the bottom side of this picture. So how many horizontal tangencies we have found? It is equal to 2. And how many vertical tangencies we have found? It is equal to 1. So we can write fy by fx is equal to 2. That is the same thing we have found, or we have assumed in our assumption while we have drawn the SV and SH waveforms. See here, we have found fy is equal to 2 of fx. Same thing is here. Here SH is equal to f and SV is equal to 2f. Hence it is proved. That means our technique is right. Now let us make it a bit more complicated. If there is half tangencies or half, that means if your pattern looks like this, so there is extra half tangencies. This is the half tangency and this is the half tangency. Now the value of fy by fx will be, number of horizontal tangencies have become 2 plus half, and number of vertical tangencies remains the same, that is 1. Now it will become fy by fx equal to 5 by 2. Clear? Now if we take the intersection method, then what we shall found? Now take the same diagram over here, or same pattern over here. We have to draw a horizontal intersection and vertical intersection through this pattern. So let us draw it. This is the vertical intersection and this is the horizontal intersection. Now in this case, fy by fx will be number of intersection of horizontal line and number of intersection of the vertical line. So what is the value of number of intersection of horizontal line? See how many times the horizontal line is intersecting the curve. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And how many times the vertical line intersecting the curve? It is 1 and 2. So simply we can write here 5 divided by 2. The same value we have obtained in tangency method. So whether you are using intersection method or tangency method, your answer will be same. So it's up to you in which method you will adopt to find out these frequencies. Now let me give you a task. If you apply SV equal to 3f and SH equal to f, that means your vertical frequency is 3 times compared to your horizontal frequency, then what type of pattern you will find at the CRO screen, mention that in the comment section below. Thank you.